Good evening, dear students. We are gathered here to take part in the group discussion. But firstly, let me tell you about the approaches in the group discussion. Are you ready?
Sure, sir. We are ready.
Dear students, whenever any topic is given to you, so your ultimate aim is to get success in group discussion. So you must plan your strategies to pull the string in your favor. Group discussion is a forum where your knowledge and reasoning along with your presentation skills are being tested. You will be knowing. I have told you many often. I'm going to give you a topic. The topic is really very interesting. Should we have co-education in our educational institutions or not?
Yes, sir. That's an awesome topic.
Okay, dear friends, we are favoring. Okay, we are in against.
Dear friends, let me tell you at the first. Co-education is the best and cheapest way of spreading literacy and education. And we don't have to open separate schools for boys and girls. Okay, dear friends, but boys and girls need a different approach to life because they don't pursue the same occupations and professions after passing examinations. Okay, dear friends, but you'll be knowing that our Indian democracy demands the co-education. When girls and boys they reach together, they learn equally. Dear friend, you must have seen and you must have heard in co-educational institutes, the boys and the girls they exchange their mobile numbers, and this is the physics famous principle that opposite poles attract each other. But my dear friend, you must have also heard that in co-educational institutes, in the presence of the boys, the girls, they enhance the confidence. They become the performer, and in the presence of the girls, the boys, they also enhance their confidence. That's why co-educational institutes are better than the non-co-educational institutes. So how can you say that non-co-educational institutes are better than the co-educational institutes? In co-educational institutes, you must have seen that in co-educational institutes, the boys and the girls, they don't attend the classes regularly. They go in the canteen, they make fun, and in this way, they can't focus over their studies. So that's why co-educational institutes are bad.
My dear friend, you are wrong here. If you do the observation in co-educational institutes attendance and non-co-educational institute attendance, you will compare that the attendance percentage is more in co-educational institute.
Okay, my dear friend, but if you observe the routine of the co-educational institute students, you will find that the students they waste their time, money, and energy much more. My dear friend, in co-educational institutes, you must have seen that students they face the real competition, and competition is the hint and the door to success.
Well done, dear friends. I think we have had an interesting discussion on this controversial subject, and really it was the lively discussion. All of you took part actively. Thank you very much. Dear friends, this video has been created under the supervision of ACEL Spoken English Center, Head Office Nehru Tiraha Roadway, Basti, Branch Office near Kotwali, Basti, Mobile number 8795241472, and please subscribe and share. Thank you very much.